What's up, y'all? Let me try that again. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda B back with another video, of course. And I know I'm behind. I'm 2 days behind on my Vlogmas. I mentally had to get myself together. Work is draining me. And I know I signed up to do Vlogmas, so I'm going to stick with doing Vlogmas. Let's hop into this video. It's going to be a quick clean with me video. I've been, like I said, working, doing other stuff, and the house got a little dirty. So I'm going to start cleaning my front room, kitchen. But yeah, let's get into it. Jingle bell, girl is finally finished. I got hot, so I had to come out my jacket, but yeah, I done tidied up for the most part. I had to finish my laundry, tackle the kids' bathroom, and let me see, it's almost 1:30, so I may have to start on dinner. But for the most part, I just want to do a quick clean with me video to add to my Vlogmas list. Again, I'm still jotting down video ideas, and yeah, this was just something quick. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in my next Vlogmas.